Hi, in this video we will see how we can add folders to the sidebar in a Finder window. So by default the Finder is there. If you click there, then it will come like this way. Okay, and in the Finder there are a couple of folders are there, something like that, like Dropbox, AirDrop, recent application. There are many things, and if you install some other application, it might sometimes add in the favorite. And also there is iCloud, then locations and tags. These are there. So in this tutorial, we will see how we can add folders or delete folders from the sidebar in a Finder window on the Mac. There are many different ways you can do this thing. You can customize, you can remove, or you can add. But I will not go all of them. I will tell you only one which is very easy, less time consuming, and easy to remember. So let's go started. So before going to the main video tutorial, I will request you, if you are new to my channel and if you still didn't subscribe, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's get started. So at first we have to open the Finder. We can open the Finder by clicking here. Okay, so here is the Finder. If we click there, then it will open the Finder, and from here we are seeing there are many things. Okay, so let's jump to documents. Suppose we have a folder like FewSteps. Okay, we want to put this thing here in the favorite section. Okay, so I told you there are many different ways, but I will show you the only one shortcut, and it's very easy. So what we have to do, the folder which we want to add in this favorite, at first we need to select. Suppose if you want to choose this one, USCIS, this folder in this favorite, you can choose there. Whatever you wish, just select that, it will be selected. And then what you have to do, you have to hold this folder and then you have to drag, and don't release. Be careful, don't release. Now you will see a blue line, not this type of selection. Okay, just blue like this thing, right? See, there is blue color line. Okay, whenever you see blue color line, then just drop it and it will be here. Okay, so we saw what we saw. There is documents. So what we did, we selected the folder and we dragged, and then we just put it here. When there will be line, only line, not other way. Okay, if you do this way, then it will do whatever what it will do, it will put that folder in that folder location. Okay, so suppose if I drag and drop, now it will go to the recent folder. Okay, so my target is not that. My target is to keep in this level, and when there is a blue line and then I drop. Okay, so after dropping, you will see it is over there. Now you can adjust, you can actually drag or down. For this case, you just need to click there and then hold with the mouse button and then choose the position where you want to do. It's very simple and easy. Okay, in this way. And if you already know that where you want to put, then what you do, you just select, drag and drop that particular location. Suppose in this folder we have two folders like eBay and HTML. Our target is good to put this eBay under desktop. So what we have to do, we have to select this one and then we have to drag and we have to come sidebar and after desktop, right? So we are seeing there is a straight blue board line. Okay, and now we have to release the mouse and it will be there. Okay, and all the related steps will be there. Okay, so in this way we can actually add folders in the sidebar in the Finder window on the Mac. But now let's see how we can remove. Suppose by mistake we did many things, we added many things, or suppose we don't need this eBay anymore in this favorite thing. So what we have to do, we have to select that the folder which you don't need. Okay, or the folder which you don't want to put in the under favorite. So just select that and then click there, left click, and then drag it and drop anywhere or anywhere, like here or here or here, anywhere, just throw it. Okay, and release. Okay, so in this way you can remove that, but the contents are there. Okay, so we created this thing. So what if you want to remove this thing, so what we have to do, we have to select it, drag and drop anywhere, here or right, left, anywhere. Okay, and if you want to add the same way later, suppose I want to put that thing back here like FewSteps. So what I'm doing, I'm selecting here and I'm putting here. Now it is there. So it's very simple and easy. So in this way you can easily add folder or remove folder from the sidebar in a Finder window on the Mac. Okay, hopefully by watching this video you are able to do this thing And if you face any issue or if you have any problem or trouble, just put in the comment section. I will try my best to solve the thing. And one more thing, thank you for watching this video. And if you are happy with this video or if you enjoy this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.